Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be again a review of a makeup product that came out recently, about 2 weeks ago, and I finally got the chance to purchase it because every time I was looking for this specific product it was always sold out. I'm really excited, once because I'm really excited to try the product out because I have read and watched so many good reviews on the product, and second thing is that I'm really excited about the product. I'm really excited about the video. Without further ado, let's begin with the first impression slash review video. As you already saw from the title of the video, I'll be reviewing the new Dior Backstage Glow Face palette in the shade Universal 001. This palette is part of their Backstage collection, which launched about 2 weeks ago. I believe they have a foundation, they have contouring palette, they have eyeshadow palettes, and this one is their Glow Face palette, which I'm really excited about. Pure shimmer, blendable highlight plus blush, and they are really... First of all, let's see the packaging. How beautiful this packaging is, how luxurious and pretty. Let's unbox it. Ta-da! So this is the palette. Pure gorgeousness. These are the shades. Again, on the back side you can see the shades and the names of the shades. There you go, you have white highlighting shades, you have gold highlight, bronze blush and pink blush. Let me swatch them for you. First I will swatch the highlights. You have here white, then you have this, and it's called Strobe Gold, Champion highlight, white, so this is white, this is gold. Then we got this blush shade called pink, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And at the end we have blush bronze, which I probably will use only as an eyeshadow. This is how it looks like, bronzy, beautiful, all shimmer, all really blinding, shimmery, strobing shades. So again, this is bronze, this is white, this is gold, this is pink. These are the shades. And now the most exciting part. Let's see how they apply on my skin. Okay, so this is my face right now. I have a little bit of bronzer. Firstly, I will use the blush. I will use this pink blush. You can see. Oh yes. I'm not sure if you can see. I want to use this bronze shade and put it on my lids. Right now I have only mascara, no eyeshadows, so I will use my finger and apply this on my lid as an eyeshadow. For my favorite part, which is the highlighting part, I purchased this fan highlighter brush from Zoeva. Really nice, really nice. I love the Zoeva brushes, their bristles are so nice. This is how it looks like. I will mix both highlighters, the gold and the white highlighter. Oh. Oh my god. Uh-oh. What can I say? My first impression, love it. You can use these shades as eyeshadows, also these highlighting shades to highlight the brow bone, also as a face highlighter. Beautiful. Is it worth it to pay so much money for 10 grams of a makeup? Sometimes, yes. If you're willing to invest some extra cash in a makeup product, then give it a try. I give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have already tried the palette. What do you think about the palette? Let me know in the comments, let me know your thoughts, and if you're willing to invest so much money in one palette. This was my review on the Dior Backstage Glow palette. Let me know in the comments how do you like my first impressions video. Follow me on Instagram. All my links will be down below in the description box, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!